Hey guys, we're gonna make a slime video. So like you get a piece of slime like this, then you stretch it out like that. Then you get the little jar that it goes in, like this kind of jar, and you're gonna want to place it like that, and you're gonna want to do it like that, and take that off, and we're gonna take that off, which is like, let's just start over. Okay, here's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna get it, rub it like this. You're gonna put it like that. Okay, gonna rip all the slime around the little jar I have, then place it like that. Get off this piece of slime, put that slime, then we're gonna do it with this one the same way, like this, and then you're gonna wanna kind of get this, and you're gonna take that one off and place the other one you made and place it on the first one. Just tap on it. Then you're gonna get these two pieces of slime and do the same thing like this. Actually. Okay. Then you're gonna get this piece, this half slime, and go like that. And do it with the other piece of slime. Gonna make this tiny, and you're gonna just stretch it out a little bit. I'm making a YouTube channel. Yeah. Really? Hold up, really? Here's how it goes, guys. Sister, I'm done with the video.
Did you turn it off?
Oh, how do I turn it? Oh, how do I turn it off?